This video features our CX-ED1799L 8 BHMA Grade 1 rated ANSI strike, but the procedures we will demonstrate can be applied to any strike for Mortise lock sets, including our CX-ED1799L all-in-one strike. This video assumes you have selected the right strike for the door, frame, and lock set. If you want more information regarding strike selection, please download our selection guide from our website or go online to use our remarkable strike selection wizard. Even the best strike will not work if the door and frame are not aligned or the door sags on loose hinges. You will want to inspect each of these closely. It is important to check the operation of the lock set. The CX-ED1799L-8 is an all-in-one strike for use with cylindrical and mortise lock sets. It is a Grade 1 strike with a 3-hour fire rating and is packaged with 8 faceplates for latch and deadbolts. It also has field-selectable 12 or 24-volt power and fail-safe, fail-secure operation. Inside the package, you'll find 8 faceplates, the strike body, a deadbolt bracket, magnetic contacts for door position monitoring, 12 and 24-volt connectors, and 2 monitoring switches. There is also a bag of fasteners and keeper shims. Lastly, the product manual. Read this carefully before installing the strike. We've brought a lot of tools to this installation so that we can show you different ways to mark and cut the door frame to install the strike. Hand tools that you will need include a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable T-square, metal file, channel lock pliers, hacksaw with a new blade, painter's tape, thread taps, and of course, safety goggles. A professional installation always includes protecting the floor from dropped metal shavings and filings. We'll remove the latch plate. We're in luck because this opening in the frame does not have a dust box inside the frame. If the opening has a dust box, you will need to use an oscillating power saw or Dremel cutting wheel to cut across the 2 horizontal bends of the dust box to remove it. You can mark the door frame in many ways, including using an adjustable T-square, but the easiest way is to use a Camden ANSI strike marking template kit that removes the guesswork. Select the template that matches your strike and mount it in the opening using the latch plate screws. Slide the L-angled shaped piece to lay flat against the frame and tighten the 2 set screws. Mark the frame with a pencil and you're done. Use tape to mark the cut you will make and to protect the door from damage during installation. There are also a number of ways that installers can cut the frame after it is marked. We've brought drill bits and a power drill, as well as an oscillating power saw. But installers commonly use a powered jigsaw or a Dremel cutting wheel. We'll be using a more manual and controlled technique for this installation. We start by using the metal hacksaw to cut the horizontal lines. It doesn't matter if they're not precise, the cut just needs to be inside the tape. Next, we will drill a series of vertical holes, loosening the metal so you can use pliers to remove it. Lastly, a metal file is used to match the cut lines exactly. We'll start by setting the operation. Fail-safe means that the setting will unlock the strike upon losing power, and a fail-secure setting will lock the strike upon losing power. This strike is set to fail-secure. To change it to fail-safe, use the 2 small set screws on the back. The keeper will now open as fail-safe. It's important to note that the UL fire rating is void if a fail-safe operation is selected. 12 or 24-volt power is selected using the correct black connector cable. This application is already pre-wired with a 12-volt connector. Latch bolt and deadbolt monitoring switches can be installed in different positions within the strike cavity to accommodate virtually any Mortise lock set application. There is also a deadbolt bracket that prevents the strike from opening when the deadbolt is manually extended. Use 2 screws per piece to place them in the cavity. Keeper shims are provided to prevent the latches from moving within the cavity of the strike when the door is closed. If needed, they are installed onto the keeper with 2 screws each. Start by testing the power connectors. This installation has been pre-wired, But we want to check first to ensure the power is correct. This strike draws 300 milliamps at 12 volts DC. We recommend that the strike is on its own power circuit and that you install an MOV varistor to prevent damage to the strike by power spikes. We are not connecting the latch monitor wiring in this installation, but we will use the same procedure as when we connect the power wires. Install the strike into the frame. Be extremely careful not to cut or crush the wires. This is the most common damage that can occur during installation or service. Install the faceplate on the strike with 2 screws. We can now test the door. We are controlling the strike with a keypad with a prox reader. We'll enter a code to energize the strike and open the door. It works perfectly. To learn more about Camden locking products, please visit our website. We have a wide range of guides, videos, and online selection wizards.